Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here in the DC office of Natural Transplants. And today we're excited. We got Johnny joining us up from Baltimore, right?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, Johnny. Thank you for sharing your story with everybody. If you wouldn't mind sharing with everybody what brings you in and also how you found us.
Oh, yeah, for sure. I came in today for a hair transplant.
Mm-hmm.
I found you guys online.
Yeah.
I was curious to get one. So.
Okay. Just doing your research and looking around, looking at all the videos and all that sort of stuff.
Yep.
Yeah. Awesome. And how old are you?
I'm 26.
26. So it runs, the hair loss runs in the family, but you're experiencing it a little earlier than some of the other guys which is a very common theme I hear all the time. That my dad or my grandfather, or my uncle lost their hair in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and it's happening now to guys in their 20s and 30s for lots of reasons we won't get into now. But so I'm going to have you just look down a little bit, and we can see obviously some significant recession around the corners here in the hairline, temple area, and then I'm going to spin you around, and then we got some loss in the crown as well too. So we're going to tackle hopefully both today. We're going to set our priority zones. What's priority 1, what's priority 2, what's priority 3. Hopefully we'll be able to fit all 3. Can't always predict whether we can get enough hair to do that, but we'll do our best. Okay. We'll draw it all out and come back and check on you in a few. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Cool.
Sounds good.
Awesome. All right, we're back with Johnny. We did shave his head. He looked better this way. You do not have to shave your head, but in certain circumstances, we do have to shave the recipient area. So in certain circumstances, it may actually look better if you shave it all. So he decided just to shave it all, which I think for his look is better that way. So we drew the line. Again, it's nice and youthful. I think we're doing a lot of work, but it's not going to create something that you're not. Plus, you're going to sort of grow into this as you age. I think it's going to also look youthful, or look natural as you age as well too. So he was happy with it. I was happy with it. I think it looks great. Again, I'm going to have you just lower your head. We're going to focus. This will be priority 1 here. Priority 2 is going to be the crown, since he doesn't really have much hair up there. He still has a decent amount of coverage here. So if we can't get to it, it's not the end of the world. But if we do have some extras, this will be priority 3 that we can kind of reinforce this area right here. You feeling good?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. We got a couple of Valium on board. We'll check in with you a little later. Sound right?
Sounds good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, we are back, Johnny. We did it, man. You did a good job. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So be honest with everybody. How'd the day go?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Your whole team was very helpful, and you were also very helpful.
Thank you.
And I really appreciate your help.
Yeah, man.
It turned out very good.
I think so too.
Thank you, and I don't know what else to say.
It's all right. Numbing shots were not fun.
Oh, yeah.
But we got you through it. You actually fell asleep during part of the day, which was great. Had a little lunch.
Yeah.
Listen to some jazz. We had a good day.
Oh, yeah,
it was fun.
It was fun. Everything was great.
Awesome, man. I'm going to zoom in just to make sure, just kind of show off the work today. You bled a little bit more bleeding than usual, which is, it happens. Now you're a big guy. Sometimes that can happen, but sometimes that can create a lot of pressure within the skin. And so just like we talked about before, just be really careful, be really mindful of it. I'm just going to zoom around here. And then he had some cystic scarring previously, those 3 spots there. So that wasn't from the surgery itself, but looks good, man. I love it.
Thank
I
you
love
very
it.
much.
So we'll keep tabs on you. Thank you so much for doing this for everybody. Hopefully this inspires some people out there. Welcome to the family. We'll keep tabs on you throughout the year. Sound good?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Johnny.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.